When I was in the 11th grade, I faced a challenge that many people thought would derail my dream. I became a mother, and doubts loomed large. People whispered that success was now out of reach. But I refused to let adversity define me. Straight out of high school, I marched into college halls with a relentless ambition to defy the odds. And there I found my calling, nursing. Years later, with the stethoscope in one hand and the passion for healing in the other, I embarked on a new journey, the birth of Bask and Lather Co. Bask and Lather Co isn't just a business. It's a testament to resilience, a tribute to overcoming doubt and fear. Developed out of love and necessity, when my sister battles a condition that not only stole her confidence, but her sense of beauty. You see, this brand holds a special place in my heart. We've walked in their shoes. We felt the sting of hair loss, and that's why our connection with our customers runs much deeper than just transactions. Bask and Lather Co isn't just about hair. It's about reclaiming confidence, restoring hope, and empowering those who have felt the sting of self-doubt.